Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. Here you can see this is called Amroli poruar toop in Assamese, or we can say red ant egg, and it's consumed by the people of Assam as a part of their traditional cuisine at the occasion of Rongali Bihu, celebrated in the month of April. It is basically the tradition of Ahom and some other communities of Upper Assam. And do you know that the red ant is good for nutritional point of view, as it contains much more protein, iron, calcium and vitamin B12. Consuming red ant can help us in many ways, such as it can protect us from waterborne diseases like malaria, jaundice, etc. It's also good for eyes, heart, brain and nervous system. Maybe because of these properties, red ants and eggs are consumed during spring and at the peak of summer to protect us from such diseases. I believe our people of Assam used to take this and this is the benefits. They used to take a lot of more in this season.